Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Zambia. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Zambia, a country located in southern East Africa, is driven by mining, processing, agriculture, and has one of the fastest growing economies in Africa. Finding some of the best Forex brokers in Zambia and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when looking for a trustworthy broker who accepts Zambian traders. So, in this video, we will be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers that allow Zambian traders to trade in stocks, shares, indices, binary options, CFDs, ETFs, Forex, and cryptocurrencies. Coming in first at number 5 on our list is FP Markets. FP Markets is an Australian fully regulated online financial broker. Was established in 2005, serves over 1,200 clients around the world, and connects traders to the markets through electronic bridges and DMA pricing models. FP Markets offers traders access to trade over 13,000 products ranging from Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts, with a variety of tradable market instruments, access to their mobile applications, virtual private servers, lower spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FP Markets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library, ebooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies, a trader's hub that delves into various fundamental and technical analytical news, trading guides, market insights, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with FP Markets. At number 4 on our list is Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online, fully regulated financial broker, was founded in 2010, is regulated and supervised by reputable organizations with its head office located in Australia. This broker accommodates for various levels of traders. Whether you are experienced or new to trading, you will have the option to trade in over 100 different market instruments and over 70 currency pairs. Pepperstone specializes in trading through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, lower minimum account opening balance, expert advisors, and more. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a variety of helpful trading guides and courses, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as their very own beginner's guides, which covers a variety of educational topics if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Pepperstone. Coming in at number 3, we have Trading 212. Trading 212 is an online financial broker founded in 2006 and offers a wide range of market instruments to trade. Trading 212 is a global broker that is based in the United Kingdom and specializes in trading through Forex, commodities, stocks, and indices. Regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Financial Supervision Commission, Trading 212 is the UK's #1 trading and investment platform and is home to over 1 million traders. Their accounts feature demo, CFD, investing, and ISA accounts with lower minimum deposits, no commission charges, guaranteed stop losses, negative balance protection, a variety of base currency options, and more. Platforms are available on Trading 212's web and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Trading 212 also provides their very own educational center, which features a variety of helpful educational videos, written educational content, news and analytics panels, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Trading 212. At number 2 is eToro. eToro is an online broker which was founded in 2006 and offers CFDs and social trading, with a head office based in Cyprus and the UK. eToro is supervised by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Traders can trade in a wide variety of over 100 instruments, including Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, and indices. Featured platforms for accounts are available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application. eToro's trading platform is a user-friendly custom trading platform, which is available as a browser-based web application. Their mobile application is supported on Android and iOS operating systems. Featured accounts are available on Demo, Micro, Mini, Standard, STP, and Islamic accounts. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, guides in the financial markets, a trading academy which covers a variety of helpful educational trading topics, tutorial videos, a featured podcast, guides to social trading, as well as their own trading school, which includes courses, webinars, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with eToro. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Zambia, we have IC Markets. IC Markets is an online Forex ECN and CFD broker. Regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, as well as the Seychelles Financial Services Authority. IC Markets specializes and offers services in trading across Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature demo, raw spread, and standard accounts with lower starting deposits, lower spreads, up to 64 tradable currency pairs, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. IC Markets also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginner's guides to getting started with trading, a range of articles and written educational content, which covers trading lessons, analysis and news, as well as a variety of educational videos and webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with IC Markets. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Zambia on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.